We are in NSC Fair in City Denver 2025.
Hi, nice to see you again.
For this fair, we do a lot of investigation about the market. So this time we bring so many new styles and would like to present them to you.
Yes, truly. We develop many new styles with different fabric and different features. Oh, what about we do the battle this time?
What kind of battle?
Let's do like this. You and me select a style you think is most popular and name out the features. The highlights of the new product. And who says out the most features, who's the winner. It's okay?
Good idea. In my mind, I already selected some styles. Please give me 3 minutes. I think I will find the most featured styles. Maybe
Really?
more than you.
Really? Okay. Let's see. Okay. So here we go.
Hello, we are ready to battle.
Okay, let's go.
Round 1.
Firstly, I would like to introduce this style to you. It's a bomber jacket. It's made of durable Oxford fabric with 2-inch reflective tape. It can meet NC Class 2. In front, we have a mobile phone pocket. If your mobile phone is bigger, we can make the pocket bigger. And 2 radio tape and 2 waist pocket. It's big enough. Let's come to the hood. It's a detachable hood and also concealed hood. We can fold the hood into the collar. Bingo! And it's the back side. Actually, it is 3-in-1 jacket. When we open the jacket, you can see there is a detachable fleece lining. So it's 3-in-1. And with sleeve. And inside we have also pockets. This side also 2 pockets. 1 zipper pocket and 1 mesh pocket. The outer jacket, that is our service zipper. So you can add the print or logo easily on the back side of the jacket. The sleeve, we have pencil pockets. This style is very popular in US market. So I think you will be interested in this style. We have very good price on this style.
This is Oxford typical American styles because we didn't get the link right. It uses a ripstop 300 denier Oxford fabric for the whole jacket. You can see, and we also have the contrast button and contrast sleeve hem. Although we made it across reflective tape, but we can also make it straight reflective tape if you like. We made it 2 big chest pockets here, and also the bottom pocket here. You can see this flap is also the pocket flap. You can get through your pocket here. When we open it, it's padded. It's a very warm jacket. And we also made it with a zipper in the pocket here. Now let's go to the back side. This is detachable hood. You can see we can detach it. Just open up the buttons. And we can hide the buttons here in the collar, like this. One highlight for this jacket is the bottom hand. You can see this bottom hand is very long, but we can fold it. I'll show you. Bottom hand has the button, so you can fold it up and clip the buttons. The jacket will be shorter, so it's easy for you to make it shorter or longer. Depends on the different working environment. So this is the Oxford jacket. Do you like it?
Round 2.
The Pro Pocket Safety Vest. It's complicated style, so let me introduce from the fabric first. The front fabric is Oxford fabric. The back side is mesh fabric. Why use mesh fabric on the back? It's for the user's breathability. And let's introduce the reflective tape part. Firstly, it is 4-inch orange color construct and with 2-inch reflective tape. There are so many pipings in this style. The front, the armhole, the pocket flap, and the bottom. And there are 4 big eyelets for the cable assessment. And how many pockets does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the pen pockets, and 6 and 7 cam pockets.
The biggest pocket of this vest is on the back side. You can go through it from the side zipper opening. You can put map and sketches inside it. And I also want to show you some details inside. There are two big zipper pockets, and the wide tape designed here is for having stuffs in the pocket. The inside shoulder and the collar are with padded, so it makes the workers comfortable for the whole day. So it is such simple vest but with so many details.
Okay, I also chose a multi-pocket safety vest for you. This fabric is Oxford fabric for the upper part of front. And at the bottom part, we use the chilled, durable fabric. At the back side, we are using the mesh fabric for the breathability of the user because the workers was wet, isn't it? And at the front back, there is also a D-ring go-through for easy for the fall protection harness go through it. For the whole safety vest, you can see we use the 2 inches heat transfer reflected tape with the 3 inches contrast trickle. Also have 2 micro tabs for the radius. This is the TC tube piping at the armhole, center front collar, and also the bottom. I will also use the reflective piping at the pocket flap. Now I want to introduce you the pocket. This one is a durable pocket, 1 layer and 2 layer. It is the ID pocket. And here are 2 pen pockets. And this side is also a big chest pocket. At the bottom hand is a gasketed pocket. You can go through it here from the upper side, and you can also go through to another pocket with a zipper aside. You can see. So here are 2 layer pockets. Here are 2 pockets here. At the back side, there is also a big pocket. Can get access it with the 2 zipper at the side. Can go through it like this. Like this. A big pocket. So now we open the safety vest. You can see there is a padded collar. So it's very comfortable for the users. And inside, we also use the reinforced tape at the collar, in the front, and bottom hand. So I think the name is safety vest, but it's like a jacket because it has so many functions, has so many details to care for you.
Round 3.
There is a magic in this body warmer. I will introduce you later. This body warmer is a hybrid body warmer. The front panel with padded and with camouflage woven fabric. You can use your own camouflage design. And the waist side is made of soft shell fabric. You can make more elastic for the waist. And the armhole and the bottom are with elastic. In front, there are 3 pockets with zippers. And the front zipper is 2-way zipper. Can let the user have more flexibility. Let's have a look at the back side. This design made by our template machine. We have more than 100 template machine. We can make a different kind of design. Let's go for the inside. We use graphene lining, can keep more warm. And this inside pocket is big for your iPhone. Now let me show you the magic part. Did you see the button? What's the use of this button? It's a heating jacket. We use the power bank. We take off this cup, connect with the power bank, and then press the button for 3 seconds. And you can see the light is on. There are 3 levels. Red level can last for 6 hours. The blue level can last for around 10 hours. And the green level can last for around 8 hours. And the panel, I hope you can touch it if you come to our booth or if you ask for a sample. The heating panel is here, here, and here. I already feel the heat. It's warm now. So in the winter, if you wear this body warmer outside with a power bank, you will feel the whole day comfortable.
So this is a hybrid soft shell jacket. It's all in black, but it's also look fashion. Let's review the details. Here we use the reflected tape. It has the lime dot as decoration. We use it in front yoke and back yoke. Here, the main fabric we are using the 3 layers of shell fabric. It's breathable and also waterproof. We use it in the upper part, and the front, the back, and also the shoulder. In the bottom hand, we use the ultrasonic fabric. You can see it looks very fashion, and also the back side. The sleeve is adjusted with the Velcro, and it also has a detachable hood. We can take it away when we open the zippers. Here are 3 pockets, 1 chest pocket and 2 lower pockets closed with the local size 5 nylon zipper. When we open the jacket, it looks like this. We kill it with the diamond shape, so it looks more fashion when the stripe pattern. So all in all, it's a very warm and also light soft shell jacket for your winter. I believe it's a very good idea for the concept work to weekend. It's very good for the workers working in the winter. What do you think? So who do you think is the winner?
Actually, the winner is not decided by the numbers of the features.
True. It depends on whether you get the highlights we introduced for the new products.
Hope you can get some inspiration by our introduction today.
So this video can make sense.
So contact with us if you have any questions or ideas.
Okay, we are Levi Garment.
I'm Alina.
I'm Karen. Bye.
See you.